Hey, what's up, XRP holder? Absolutely, a lot of holder ask me to please give us some good news. So I'm sorry, my brother. This time the price is completely face down. The change occur will completely face down. But I have also one good news, my friend, for all of you now. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, my friend, we predicate this coin, and after that, my friend, I also share opinion. You also share your opinion. But kindly, holder, be focused and be serious this time. Absolutely, the prediction is very important because, my brother, in last 24 hours all cryptocurrencies very badly falls down. So I'm so worried to see this, but let's see, my brothers, to what they do this time. My brother, the price is completely falls down, and after a huge jumps, after these type huge jumps, my friend, you can see here they will very badly falls down. So exactly, my friend, this is reality too. After this fails they will fail, after this jump they will fails down. But don't see, my friend, the short jump, short fail. Absolutely, if you invest for a long time, so I hope, my friend, you understand better. But if you're a short-term investor, then absolutely a short-term investor, when they take a very short jump, they will sell it. When that very badly fails down, so absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time they will fails down. So holders are starting selling. So please don't do this mistake. I hope, my friend, after this short fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So why you are selling? Why you are selling? Tell me why you are selling. Yes, don't sell it. All right, this time, my friend, the price is 0.7 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, again, my brother, again XRP will recover it just in only in 2 days, my friend, and I hope they will hit 1 cent, my friend, just in only and 2 or 3 days. But definitely when they're starting move upward, because the first week is completely they fails down. I know, my brothers, they will fails down. If we just only check out the last 24-hour chart, so we better understand. Oh my goodness, I tell you, my friend, you can see here today will fails down. So minus 5.31% the price is decreased. That is very bad. Seriously, this is very bad, my friend. Today will fails down. But this is the reality, my brother. So what we can say that exactly, my friend, the team of XRP were sleeping. They cannot promote, they cannot collaborate with companies, my brother. So they will fails down, absolutely. But remember one thing more, my brother, and those are especially every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down because this is the start of month. And remember to in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down. So therefore the price is come to 0.6 USD dollar again now, and minus 5%. Oh my goodness, in a 5 just in only in 24 hours. I think this is very bad fails, my friend, bad dump. But definitely, my friend, the giveaway is coming soon of XRP. I hope, my brother, I hope you participate now. Just in only for participate, you need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brother, my opinion, and personally my opinion, my brother, absolutely I will share advice. I will give you advice, but please you research personally, my friend. My advice is to please I think XRP is very good, my friend, and this one they will give you a very good profit. So why you are waiting, my friend? If you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time. My opinion is to please hold, don't sell it. And if you have any, my friend, question, please ask me in the comment box. I will answer you. You also share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Is the holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.